Baby, how many times I gotta tell you to come over here? Come over here.
You didn't say come over here any times before you got out of the car to ask her how many times you have to ask that. So, honestly, this is starting to come off like an abusive relationship right now.
Who's your inspiration?
DJ Khaled, of course.
That's the smartest thing you ever said in your life. Give me a kiss.
Look at how ridiculously contrived this dialogue is. Oh, you better go share this video with your friends to show them how much this guy is totally unaware of how ridiculous this is and definitely isn't playing up this idiotic delivery in an attempt to go viral. Please cut this shit.
How many times I gotta tell that ass to come over? You know how a nigga feel about wasting time. How many times I gotta tell that ass to come over?
Yeah, because you know what girls find attractive? Being an impatient ass. And wait, if you're such a dominant, irresistible sex symbol, as you're just so sure you are, why are you having the problem of getting girls to come over in the first place? I mean, it's your song, you could paint this any way you wanted to, and yet for some reason the lyrics that inspired you to record this song sound like all four of you are at a pool party with no chicks and desperately trying to get any girls you can to come over.
Know how I feel about waiting in line.
Waiting in line? What the hell does that have to do with anything? Are you just, in general, airing out your grievances to this girl concerning waiting for things? Oh yeah, that's sexy. Did you also tell her how much you hate that Papa John's didn't deliver your pizza within 30 minutes? I thought you were mad that the girl wasn't coming over, not telling us how much you relate to Cartman.
If there's one thing I hate, all the lines.
Which wouldn't be the first time someone compared you to an entitled brat who wants everything his way.